Gemini! So, Mercury is still in Pisces, and you're like, ooh, I am expressing, I don't know. I'm expressing a lot of things right now. I am expressing my waterness. I am expressing my reverence. I'm tired. I'm tired from expressing so much. I'm tired from expressing the swim. Talk to a Pisces. They might be able to help you. Oh, trigger warning. If you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Okay, Gemini. Here you go. Now, Libra is your sister in terms of air. I keep hearing voices down there, and it's like a drop-off, so I don't know why I would be hearing voices. So Libra is your middle moment in terms of air energy. What has started with air is you start the air energy, and then it goes Libra, and then it goes Sagittarius. So Libra is the first moment where you're like, oh, I know this feeling. Oh, so there's gonna be moments where you're like, oh, I know balance. Oh, you're the two. It's really easy for you to understand both sides of what you're trying to balance. It's really easy for you to say, oh, yes and yes. That's a gift that you have because you're so good at the double. Don't worry about it. Ooh. If you're in a state of trauma, your eyes are open, you're okay. The lovers. The lovers! Upside down. This is about loving yourself. With the Daughter of Pentacles and change and the Ace of Cups. Ooh, this came up in my Patreon video. So if you're not on the Patreon, Gemini, you should jump on over there. Daughter of Pentacles. This is wonderfulness about being grounded, leaning into change and travel. So get up, go move. You don't need to travel to a different state. You don't need to go to Maui, but you can, you need to move. You need to walk. You need to be mobile. You clock into your intuition when you are mobile. Now, Ace of Cups. I love that this came up because you being Mercury, you're still expressing the depth of your Pisces. You're still expressing Pisces season. You're not fully jumping into the Aries yet because Mercury is a ruling sign. So allow yourself to listen during this full moon. Go on a walk alone. Be quiet. Stop screaming at yourself. Stop berating yourself. Stop getting frustrated with yourself. And allow yourself to understand what it means to love yourself. Allow yourself to think about whether you love yourself or not. Allow yourself to have reflection on self-love, not self-care. Maui agrees. This is self-love, not self-care. Self-care done in the vein of self-love is done correctly. Self-care done in spite of self-love is incorrect. There's a very specific difference. Loving what you have, loving your groundedness, loving your sense of stability, loving the earth, allowing yourself to intuitively change, allowing yourself to listen to your intuition, and then allowing yourself to exalt what is trying to be expressed via Mercury right now. Lean in to your Pisces reverence. Mercury in Pisces is very fun. It's very beautiful. You're speaking a different language. I think this is akin to the first card that I showed you. Whereas this is blind, you're covered, you can't see. This, you have all the eyes open and you're seeing where you're stabbed. This is balance. This needs to be balanced. The fear of being stabbed and actually being stabbed. There's a lot that is holding you back right now. Lean into the Aries and lean into the value of your Chiron and Sun and Venus. It's going to help you. And I'm here for you. Said this with Taurus as well. I'm here for you if you want to do a reading or you want to talk. We got the Zoom, we got the Biddles. Bye. Okay. We did it. You guys. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. Okay, we did it. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are, right? You have two bags. Libra is the scales, right? You have two bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm gonna put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. I'm also available on the website. If you miss this April one, you can catch it in May. Boop, boop, boop. I'm not going to do March. So, April through February. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. T. Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things, all the links, all the things. Blessings.